everybody, I'm Terriell and welcome to day 0 of my 10, 20, 30-day Pilates journey here on YouTube. First of all, Happy New Year. It is New Year's Day. And second of all, we are not doing Pilates today because I think New Year's Day is a time that we all need to hang out in our pajamas just for a little bit longer, keep our slippers on just for a little bit longer, and just take in the nice quietness that New Year's Day brings. In my opinion, it feels like a day that we should all be just resting and reflecting, and maybe also doing a little bit of eating and drinking or recovering, depending on what you did last night. It's also a day of preparation. We're just going to prepare ourselves for the next 30 days of movement ahead. Today, I brought with me my notebook. I'm going to use this every day to record how I'm feeling before my workouts and how I'm feeling after my workouts. And on the 10th day, I'm going to do a longer check-in, look back at each day, write down any patterns that I see or notice. On the 20th day, I'll do the same. And on the 30th day, I will look back at the whole journey and just see how everything has gone and notice how Pilates has made a difference in my body. For this journey, you will also need a mat or something to lay down on to do your workouts. No other equipment needed. You might want a pen to write down your notes. And also, this is a blank sheet of paper, but it is the piece of paper that I'm going to print my 30-day calendar on right after making this video. So if you want a calendar to follow along with, go ahead and head to the description below, click it, and from there you can get your calendar, download it, and print it out to have a visual reminder to get yourself on the mat for every day of this journey. If you, like me, are a person who needs a little extra motivation to get to their movement practice each day, you also have the option to sign up to receive each workout for the next 30 days straight to your inbox. And those get sent out at midnight every night. So for example, tomorrow's workout will be sent out at 12 a.m. Eastern time tonight, so at the end of the day. All right, I think that's all I have for you on this January 1st, New Year's Day. I will see you on the mat tomorrow. I'm super excited. Bye.